This is Chris, and we're looking at here is Arizona River Rock in a very small size. This is Salt River Rock, to be more specific, which is a much higher quality color ratio than other materials from Arizona rivers. A lot of really good blue and purple, deeper burgundy. This size is kind of a fisheye size. It's much smaller than a 3/8. This actually makes a very good pathway material for walking on. Very soft material, very beautiful colors. You could use this around stepping stones or in lieu of any stones for a small utility pathway, a ground cover. Very beautiful material, great for indoor aquariums and planter dishes.